Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a 0 to 100 Glam Beat to the Gods makeup look. It's this rose gold eye look with these nudie brown lips that are just so juicy and glossy that just make you want more. So if you just want to see how to get this look, then continue watching. Thumbs it up and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. So for this tutorial, I'm starting off with my face makeup, and I'm just priming my face with my Glam Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturiser. This is really good at just making my skin glow and look dewy, and it also creates a tacky base for my foundation to lay on top of, which I really love. For foundation, I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is for normal to oily skin, and it is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. I'm not exactly tan at the moment, even though it is summer and I should be like completely bronze and like beach goddess kind of thing. But yeah, this is like my light shade in the summer because I'm just matching it to my forehead pretty much because my forehead gets a tan and my body just stays pale. It's so stupid. So I applied the foundation anyway. Moving on, I applied the foundation with my foundation brush by Real Techniques and then buffed it in with my Morphe E6 Brush. And then I am applying my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer under my eyes, in the chin, cupid's bow, bridge of the nose, and my forehead with my same Real Techniques foundation brush. And I'm going to blend it in with my Beauty Blender shortly. This is just going to highlight these areas to bring them forward and cover up any imperfections as well, which is my dark circles under my eyes. And before that concealer creases and my foundation creases, I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder and just go under my eyes with my Beauty Blender, and then on my chin and on my smile lines where I usually tend to crease because my foundation gets caked up there. I'm also using this powder just to set the rest of my face on my Jessup powder brush. So I just went off camera to fill in my brows, and if you want a brow routine, just comment down below and I will do one for you. And now I'm priming my eyes with my Paint Lilly Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC, and this is just going to get my eyes prepped for eyeshadow. And then I'm also applying some Scotch tape to the outer V's just to clean up any eyeshadow that goes past that. And so when I take off the tape, it'll be like clean cut and create a nice guideline for my eyeliner as well. For eyeshadow today, I'm bringing back my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to use the first shade, Raw Sienna, as my transition shade. I don't really use this shade as much as the other shades in this palette, especially like burnt orange, as you can see has a dip in it. But yeah, I'm using this on my Zoeva blender brush. What is this? My Zoeva Luxe crease brush. And I'm just going to blend that in my crease as my transition shade. I kind of want to get used of more of the shades that I don't use, so yeah, testing this out. And then I'm going in with my Luxe Soft Definer brush by Zoeva and picking up the shade Love Letter from the palette, and I'm just gonna start building in those pinky red tones. And yeah, I'm just going deeper into the crease and slowly blending it in my crease. This shade I found was a bit harder for pigment. I felt like you had to really build it up, but once I built it up, it was fine. Next, I'm going in with my Venetian Red shade from the palette, and I was so obsessed with this pigment compared to Love Letter because it was like pigmented. It was just like the perfect shade as well that I really wanted for this rose gold eyeshadow look. So yeah, I'm blending that in with another Zoeva Soft Definer brush, and I'm just really carving out that crease and just blending it in there until I like the intensity. Going back in with that Luxe Crease brush by Zoeva, I'm picking up Raw Sienna and just redefining that transition shade and making sure it is all blended seamlessly through the crease. Then I'm picking up Cypress Umber on my Sigma blending E36 brush. This is a nice precise blending brush, perfect for like blending and applying shadow. So I'm applying this to the outer V just to deepen it up and add a bit more contrast to when we apply that lid shade and really define that outer V. I also went back into the shade Venetian Red in the Modern Renaissance palette on my Zoeva soft definer brush. And I'm just packing that on and making sure that like it goes from that deep brown to the Venetian Red to the rose gold eyeshadow that we're just about to apply. For the eyeshadow that we're using, I'm using my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Bronze Belle. This is like a rose gold shade more than a bronze shade to me, and I absolutely am obsessed with it. It is so gorgeous. So I'm applying it straight from the applicator, but then I do go in with my Sigma shader Inner Corner E46 brush just to define it and help blend it with the eyeshadow. But yes, like, how stunning is this eyeshadow? I don't even think my camera quality really picks up how beautiful this is. I'm just obsessed with the glitter and the color. It's just rose gold perfection to me. So here is where I'm using that Sigma E46 brush and just helping blend that outer V. And then I go back into Venetian Red once again and just blend it with the eyeshadow and make sure that there's that seamless blend rather than that blunt kind of look. Then for eyeliner, I'm using my Ingot gel liner in the shade 77. It's just a black eyeliner and I'm creating a thin wing and just defining my V. I just want a really nice defined line just so when I apply my lashes they blend in easily and just it really just complements my eyes, I think, having eyeliner. Mascara today, I'm applying the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara in the version waterproof, and I'm going to apply a generous coat to my top lashes just to prep them for my false lashes. And for false lashes today, I'm applying these beautiful mink lashes in the style Mykonos by Lilly Lashes. Lilly is one of my biggest idols at the moment, and I'm just so obsessed with her lashes, her brand, and everything. So yeah, and I feel like these lashes just really complement my eyes and really just make this look go from 0 to 100. Full glam, yes, I'm obsessed with them. Moving back to the face makeup, I'm using Give Me Sun bronzer just to bronze up and kind of contour my face and match it to my body because my face is looking a little pale compared to my body. But yes, the footage here is kind of out of focus because my camera stopped auto-focusing and I had to manually focus it so I couldn't really tell. But yes, mind the faults, I am bronzing my face and contouring it, so yes. And I'm using my Zoeva, my Morphe brush in the Morphe M437. And then for highlight, I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill Becca palette and I'm using Champagne Pop on my Morphe M438 brush and just making that pop, making that champagne glow. I feel like this is such a pretty highlight and I always neglect it now, so I brought it back out, a good old goodie. Good old goodie. Going back into the Jaclyn Hill Becca palette, I'm also picking up two blushes. I'm mixing the shade Pamplemousse and the shade Amaretto and just applying those to my cheeks and giving a little flush. And then going back to the eyes on the lower lash line, I'm blending the shade Rossiana with my Morphe M506 brush and just blending back and forth. And then I picked up the shade Rossiana Venetian Red on my Sigma E47 shaded crease brush. And I'm just blending that back and forth and really smoking that out on the lower lash line. Then picking up Cypress Umber on my Sigma Smudger E21 brush. And I'm just really smudging this, as the brush says, on the lower lash line and really smoking it and connecting it with the outer V on the top line. I also went in with that gel liner 77 by Ingot and applied that in my waterline, and I'm just smoking that out as well with the leftover Cypress Umber all the way through the lash line. And then just to finish off the eye look, I'm highlighting my inner corners with the shade Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette. Now moving on to the lips, I'm applying 2 lipsticks. I'm mixing Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton, and then I am going to apply Tarteist lip paint in the shade Namaste, and I'm just going to apply that to the center and just blot it over the lip just to create that brownie nude shade, perfect for this look. And then I'm just going to top it off with this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brûlée, and it's just going to give it that juicy, glassy lip, which I love. And so that is the finished look, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to thumbs it up and click that red big subscribe button down below. And also comment down below and let me know if you like the tutorial, what other videos you would like to see. And I will see you in my next videos. Bye!